Welcome to Meelko pellet mills. Pork farming is a significant branch of agriculture, essential for providing high-quality meat products. Today, we'll show you how to make high-quality feed pellets for pigs using the Meelko pellet mill. First, let's start with the basic raw ingredients: corn, soybean meal, wheat bran, fish meal, minerals, vitamins, etc. Each of these ingredients provides essential nutrients for your pigs. Begin by measuring and mixing the ingredients thoroughly to ensure a balanced diet. Next, grind the ingredients into a fine powder for easier processing and uniform pellet size. Using the Meelko pellet mill, feed the mixed ingredients into the hopper. The machine will compress the mixture through a die, forming uniform pellets. Flat dies are available in different sizes, such as 5mm and 6mm, so use them according to your convenience. After pelletizing, cool and dry the pellets to remove excess moisture, hardening them and extending their shelf life. Store the finished pellets in a cool, dry place to maintain their quality. Now, you have high-quality feed pellets that your pigs will love, providing cost savings and nutritional benefits. Choosing the Meelko pelletizer for your pig feed production is a smart investment in the health of your livestock and the financial health of your farming operation. If you have any queries, you can visit our warehouse or contact us at info@meelko.com or call us at +1 786 216 8098. Thanks for watching.